8:09 is the time. Let's turn now to meteorologist Jeff Forgeron with a look at your forecast.
If you were with us a little while ago, we caught a quick rainbow from our Chinook Winds beach cam, and I actually was able to capture it twice on this time lapse. So we'll go ahead and roll on that and show you at the beginning on the right side of the screen. You can see that little hint of the rainbow, but at the end of the time lapse, a much better shot of the rainbow, a full rainbow, in fact, right over Lincoln City or offshore of Lincoln City. That was because that sunlight was low along the horizon and it was beaming right through a shower that was developing along the coast. So that was a pretty cool view. This is also a pretty cool view from our Shiloh Winds camera in Seaside. You can see a defined base of these clouds, these showers that are developing. Haven't seen any lightning just yet on the radar, but these showers that are developing offshore of the northern Oregon coast are certainly creating some pretty heavy downpours. 51 right now in Seaside, Oregon. Here's a quick look at what the radar is showing. Most of the showers are offshore, but they're starting to swing onshore, especially around Rockaway Beach and Tillamook, where we're starting to get some heavier showers and maybe even some small hail out there. Coast range looks fairly dry through 26 or up along 26, Highway 26. Down toward Lincoln City and Newport, fairly dry weather right now, but we also have some showers developing onshore, and some of those showers will be swinging onshore here in a little while. We've also been tracking some showers that are bubbling up over the metro area, drifting east-southeast into the Columbia River Gorge and over the Cascades, the northern Oregon and southern Washington Cascades, transitioning to snow showers, but that freezing level is slowly rising. We're at 35 right now at Government Camp, 36 at Frog Lake. So the snow level is about 4,500 feet or so at this point and will likely rise to about 5,000 feet this afternoon. Other showers are developing right along the border of Oregon and Idaho, falling in the form of a wintry mix along the foothills of the Blue Mountains. I just checked out Meacham, Oregon on one of the ODOT cameras, and it looks like they're just dealing with wet conditions along Interstate 84 through the Blue Mountains. Now, as far as the forecast goes, I think that we'll continue to see these isolated showers moving onshore. I think between the late morning, though, and the early afternoon, we're going to start to see them pulse up a little bit. They'll be creating more heavy downpours intermixed with a little bit of small hail, and we'll also be dealing with scattered showers along into the east of the Cascades. So that's how it plays out today. Overnight tonight, heading into tomorrow morning, a lot of us will be drying out with the exception to some of the higher elevations. I think Monday is going to turn out to be a mostly cloudy day. This particular model, the NAM model, brings showers in as early as the late afternoon and early evening Monday, but I think those showers are going to be working their way in. They're going to initially fall as virga, which is rain that falls and evaporates before it hits the ground. So I think late Monday, heading into Tuesday, is when the showers will reappear across northwest Oregon and southwest Washington. Today's going to be a pretty wet day. I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm. Highs will be anywhere from the upper 50s to the low 60s. Monday will be a mostly dry but a mostly cloudy day with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Tuesday looks like a wet day, bringing us down a couple of degrees into the low 60s. But Wednesday and Thursday, I think high pressure will be building back in. High temperatures should rebound into the low to mid 70s before another round of showers and thunderstorms returns on Friday.